Hello, welcome to another short tutorial. Um, People say they want to learn about passing chords, and for me, generally, I learn chords, I learn progressions, and then you'll find out that in learning progression and chords, you'll find passing chords there. All right, so for example, if I want to play in a key of C, if I want to play 1 and then 4, 1 and then 4. I could play 6, 7, 1 to 4. So it would be like this. Again. Okay. So let me slow it down. 6, 7, 1 to 4. Then probably move to 5 like this. So this is a key of C. In F, it could be like this. I first played a sus before adding the 9 to it. And you could play this when a pastor is preaching. So this in a key of F. Let me play it in A flat, the last key. And most of the time when you're playing it, have a strings to sustain the song. So you play a 6, that's a minor 7th chord. In all of it, play a minor 7. Okay, so after the 6, the 7 you play a sus 4 using a note 2, 5, 6, 2. So it becomes like this. The F3 becomes like then the A flat. You can play it in any other key. It's just 6. This in the key of G, and you can play it anywhere that you want it, you know. So 6, 7, 1, 4. Then you can do a 5. All right. Thank you. See you in a next tutorial.